Okay, hi students. So welcome back. Today we are going to learn about Form 2 Science Revision KSSM part 4. So when dining in a hotel, Amira is served with a glass of orange juice. State the property of the orange juice. So the property will be acidic. Okay, acidic. Very easy. Okay, but still some students cannot get it. Let's move on to the next question. State the observation obtained if the orange juice is tested with blue litmus paper and red litmus paper. Okay, very easy. So what is the answer? Oh, very easy. Okay, this question. If acid, so it will be blue become red. And then if you use red, of course it will remain red. I don't want to write in words. Okay, you just explain like how you explain to your friend, correct or not? The blue litmus paper will become red. The red litmus paper will become red. Okay, just use your own word. The way I remember this, I always think that blue to red is acidic because red is more like angry. So usually I just remember one only because blue to red means acidic. So maybe you can use your imagination. Maybe acid, just remember this story. Ali, some people pour acid on your hand and then you become very angry, your face become red. Then can already lor. So you remember acid means blue to red. Okay, then the alkaline is the opposite one. So we can imagine one thing, we can memorize one thing easier if we can visualize the picture. People pour acid onto your hand, you feel very pain, then you become red. This is a technique to remember. Like sometimes you read, you forget, you forget. But when you watch drama, Hong Kong drama, Korean drama, last 10 years ago, you still remember the story. Why? Okay? But if you can figure out why, when every time you memorize,
Because it's interesting.
you visualize it, then you can remember a lot faster. Okay? A lot faster. Beside litmus paper, suggest another way to test whether a substance is acidic or alkaline. Explain. So basically got two questions. Now we want to answer the first question first. Suggest another way to test the substance acidic or alkaline. Okay, so the substance is tested by using universal indicator. If the mixture turns orange or red, then it's acidic. If the mixture turns purple, then it is alkaline. Of course, we have litmus paper, we have universal indicator, we have phenolphthalein to test the acidic or not. And one more is like methyl orange, okay? So, but for now, we remember only two, okay? Litmus paper and universal indicator. So for this, you need to remember the universal indicator. Just remember one is red and purple, okay? Red means acidic. Purple means alkaline. You need to remember because the question might ask the Ali put universal indicator into the lemon. What color Ali will see? Ali will see red color. Yeah, that's it. But if you don't know the color, then you cannot do it, okay? Because you didn't remember. Diagram 10.2 show the latex obtained in the rubber tree. Okay, so of course you still get the rubber. Explain the latex can coagulate naturally exposed to the air. So when you read this one, you need to know what is coagulate. If you don't know what is coagulate, means you cannot do already because you don't know what is coagulate. Coagulate is not Colgate. Coagulate is to become like jelly. And put here become like jelly. Become like not jelly. How to say? Become like solid solid liquid like that, become like jelly a very hard jelly. I don't know whether you got go to the people or not, the rubber tap place. If you go, they will put it in the morning, I guess midnight, 4 o'clock, 3 o'clock, they will go. Then they got the cup, there is a water, it's like it's liquid, but you just wait for very long, like 1-2 hours. Then the cup you just dip it, and then put, you got like a pudding jelly. So it's like it's very hard not like tofu like will break, but you can take it and throw at people. and it will still like a stone like that, a rubber stone, something like that. Okay, so we call this process coagulate. Okay, we don't want to say like in science like the liquid become like a big jelly. We don't say like that. The rubber coagulate, it become like a jelly stone like that, very smelly. And like last time I go to Orang Asli there, they sell this one jelly like 20 cents only, you know, like you work so hard only you sell for 20 cents. So it's not, I think the boss earn all their money, something like that. So explain the latex coagulate nature jelly, why exposed to the air. Why it become like, not I don't want to say jelly, why it coagulate. So for this answer, there's a keyword. Why it become coagulate? Because after you left it, that you need to write two keywords. The first keyword is bacteria. The second keyword is acid. As long as the teacher see these two words, they will just mark on it. Okay. So because there's a bacteria, when you put at there very long, the bacteria will grow at here. Once the bacteria grow, it will produce like an acid. The bacteria will make an acid. So the acid will make this thing coagulate. So just simple as that. Let me put down the answer. Okay, so the presence of the bacteria in the air produce acid, and the acid will coagulate the latex. So the keyword are just bacteria, acid, and coagulation of the latex. Latex the rubber. Of course, when people do like this, they just leave it, they become jelly. So they just bring to the factory. So when the factory, they will have something like a bowl, a bowl of the rubber, okay? So what they do is, opposite of acid is alkaline. So they will pour in alkaline inside. Usually is ammonia lah, I just put shortcut like ammonia, NH3. So after they pour in the alkaline or ammonia, the ammonia will neutralize the acid. Then you will get back liquid. So very easy, okay? You just make it dry jelly, put into the lorry, go to the factory put ammonia, and then you get back the liquid. You want to get back jelly, very easy. Just put there only. Put there, wait 1-2 hours, it will become jelly again. Or if you want to make it faster to become jelly, you put in acid. Any acid will do. But I haven't tried the experiment. But if you can try, maybe put some lemon juice inside. I think it will coagulate. Okay, if you put acid inside, it will coagulate. I don't know whether put lemon juice can or not. Okay, haven't tried this yet. Okay, next question. Okay, so state one characteristic of air pressure. So, okay, so air pressure acts in all direction. Okay, so this is a characteristic of air pressure. For example, why we say air pressure act in all direction? Let's say this is a balloon. So the air pressure acts at all direction. So let's say this is balloon, outside is air. Which one got higher air pressure? Inside the balloon or outside? So if a balloon, inside will be higher air pressure, higher. Outside will be lower. Because it push lah. Because high only it can push correct or not? Like a tire. A car tire, you want to pump in the wind, the wind can push the tire to make it round. So you need to go to the petrol pump to pump in the wind, right? So when you pump that time, of course it might be high lah. If low means the wind will come out. Okay, correct or not? Let's do a few more example. Let's say a person is drinking water, and this handsome guy, oh my god, this is the mouth lah. I cannot draw the eye. No, not enough space. This is the mouth. So this is A, this is B. A and B. Which one is low pressure? Correct. Okay, so A is a low pressure. Because this one is low, this one is high. So the water from the atmosphere will push, the atmosphere pressure will push the water go down. Water will go up because here is low. Then it will go into the stomach. Okay, example, last example. Let's say this is a can. I put ice. okay, ice, I put ice, suddenly this thing will become kemek, becomes shrink. So A and B, which one got high pressure, which one got low pressure? Okay, very good. So B is high, A is low pressure because the wind start to press the tin. So the tin actually shrink. So low pressure, high pressure. Hopefully you can understand. If the exam asks, it's a bonus question. But some students still get it wrong. But it should be very easy. You cannot get wrong this question. You can wrong other question. But please don't get this question wrong. Okay, B, in the classroom, Faiz want to show a magic trick to his friend. So he put the cupboard and put the water on top, and then I think he just let go the cupboard and the thing didn't fall down. So Faiz tell his friend, magic. So is this magic or is this science? You need to explain this. So this one is 2 mark. Can you explain this one? Okay, so this one you just say the air exert pressure on the thick cardboard, so the pressure prevent the cardboard from dropping off. Okay, so I just draw the pressure. Of course, you no need to memorize this word. Okay, please do not memorize the whole sentence. That is why a student cannot. Okay, you must remember the keyword. Okay, air pressure, and another keyword is here high, here low. So just explain lah. So you can say that like for me, and maybe I can try to explain like the atmospheric pressure or outside the cup, the air pressure is higher than inside the cup. So the air pressure from the outside of the cup will push the cupboard, so the cupboard remain on the cup. It won't fall down. Use your own word, okay? No need to follow whoever answer. Usually the teacher will just mark the keyword. Just write something like pressure, say something like high and low, say something about the error. So it make a force to push the cupboard up. Okay, just put the keyword. Okay. C, diagram 11.2 show 3 different drinking straws that immerse in a container filled with water. The 3 drinking straws have holes at different positions. So, did I put I haven't put the picture. Okay, so this is the picture. We can see the hole. I just draw the hole. I scared you cannot see. You can see the hole here or not? One hole here, one hole here. Here got 2 holes. 1 hole and 2 holes. State the drinking straw that can still be used to suck the water up. Explain the answer. Very easy. So which straw that you want to use? Okay, so you must say, of course, it's A lah, correct or not? The answer is A. The answer is A, obviously, and you want to explain. So what you can say is the atmospheric pressure outside is higher than the inside the straw, so that it will push the water go up the straw. So basically, just use your own word, okay? But the keyword is against the same thing. We want to talk about the pressure, high and low, okay? Want to talk about high or low, outside pressure is higher, and the force maybe you want to put the keyword, okay? Let me put down the answer. Okay, so the hole in drinking up straw A lies below the water level, enable the water to be sucked. The atmospheric pressure is higher than the air pressure inside the drinking straw. The atmospheric pressure helps to push the water into the drinking straw. Okay, so let's see what are they talking about. Okay, first we don't have problem, right? Because the hole lies down so that it can suck. The number 2 also we don't have problem. Atmospheric pressure is higher than the air pressure. Number 3, atmospheric pressure help to push the water. Okay, push the water up. Of course, in one sense is correct lah. Means that when you put your mouth here, a person this is the mouth, okay? The atmospheric pressure push the water. It push the water at here so that your water can go up. Why? Why it push? Because here is high atmospheric pressure. Here is low. Okay, so the higher atmospheric will push towards the lower atmospheric so that they get balance. If here's 3, you suck and suck also, you suck nothing, you suck the air go in. Because why the water don't go in? Because if you want to explain, the air pressure inside the straw is the same as outside, correct or not? Each time you suck the wind, you still, the inside of the straw and outside is still same atmospheric pressure, so there is nothing to push the water go in. Okay, so this one is like that.